Welcome back to the channel, Crypto Tro. I am Crypto Tro, bringing you the latest and the greatest in cryptocurrencies. And today, I want to talk about Harmony One and the amazing things that they're doing. They just launched CRV on the blockchain, and it's at an all-time total value lock, man. So we seeing these numbers increase. Yesterday was the first day that CRV was launched on Harmony One's blockchain, and it's absolutely going crazy. I already have a lot of liquidity on there, so I'm very excited to see what's next. And also, we're going to talk about how Harmony One continues to build on the blockchain by doing different hackathons and different grants, man. So this is a very exciting moment in Harmony One's blockchain, and I'm glad to, give you some information on it. But before we get into that, man, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. Make sure you subscribe to the page. I appreciate everybody for tuning in. We're continually to grow the channel, man, and y'all some real ones for continuing to stick through it with your boy, man. Just rocking with me and just listening to what I gotta say, because it's my personal opinion. Always do your own research. This is not financial advice, but I appreciate you for listening to my opinion. But always do your own research, and I say that with anybody on YouTube, man. Do your own research. Don't listen to what these people talking about, including me. Like, make sure you fact check it. Make sure you do follow-up research on what people tell you, because that's how you make the biggest gains in the markets in any type of investment. So when you do sound research, it's better. You'll have better returns, in my personal opinion. So like I said, we're going to talk about Harmony One's blockchain, and we're going to get straight into it just like this. So, man, we currently see Harmony One is ranked 56 on the list, and the current price is at 22 cents, up 2% on the day, and the market cap is at $2.3 billion. It's up 2%. The fully diluted is $2.9 billion, up 2%. And then we see the volume is at 384 million, up 38%. Like I said, Harmony One is going to be in the top 50 very, very soon. I've been saying that. I'm telling you, I'm calling this stuff out, man. I'm calling it out. Like I said, Harmony One, give it probably about next month, Harmony One will be in the top 50 just because of the things that they're doing, the partnerships with CRV. I'm excited to see the chain link on the mainnet. So it's going to be very, very exciting times on the Harmony One's blockchain, and we're just getting started. I'm telling you, these different partnerships bring more liquidity onto the blockchain, and it just adds more to the market cap and the total value lock onto the blockchain. So we see, man, just a couple of days ago, Harmony hit 25 cents, and I actually bought some more at 20 cents. As it dipped, it dipped from 25 cents to about 20 cents. And I bought some more just because I'm dollar cost averaging. Of course, I'm about to dip when it dips even further. And when you dollar cost average, I just buy Harmony every single week. And that's my personal strategy, just dollar cost averaging into it. But we see that all-time high has hit, and it's right now just resting, giving it a breather. And I believe it's going to shoot off to 30 cents, man. We're going to see a 30 cent Harmony One very, very soon, probably in November. Probably, I want to say before Halloween, we're going to see a 30 cent Harmony before Halloween, man. That's my personal price prediction, 30 cents before Halloween. I think it's very achievable, and we see what Harmony is doing, so I'm excited to see that 30 cents before Halloween. So the first news on Harmony, I want to just show you how Harmony officially ended the Bridging Tradefi to DeFi hackathon. And in this thread, they present the winners and want to thank everybody for participating. And you can view the closing ceremony. So I'm not going to really go into depth in it. You can go onto Harmony One's Twitter page if you wanted to read those tweets and just see what projects won and who won and what they do. And they actually give you at the end of the tweet thread, on the closing ceremony page, they actually give you demos of what's coming on Harmony One's blockchain. And pretty much Harmony gave out different types of grants to help projects build and, you know, start from the ground up. So that's another very exciting thing to see. If you really want to get some low-key Harmony gems, you can actually go to the closing ceremony and just see what's, you know, what projects that they help fund and kind of get in on the ground floor. But that's just, you know, my personal opinion. I'm not doing it as of right now, but when I want to find a new project, this is probably a place I will go to just to get some early gains in it. Because some of these projects will be around, you know, not all projects will be around. That's the thing about it. But you don't have to risk a lot to make money in the crypto space. So just do your research on these different projects before you get into them. But this is a good place to go if you wanted to view more projects and what Harmony actually is pretty much putting their money behind, man. So that's it. Very excited to see what projects Harmony believes will thrive, and it kind of gives you a sense of what you should be thinking about investing in after you do your own research. Like I was saying, Curve on Harmony's blockchain is going crazy, man. We can see 16 million total value locked Curve on Harmony protocol in less than 12 hours. And if you don't know, Curve is pretty much the top DEX for stablecoins, man. It has pretty much billions of dollars in market cap for stablecoins, and you're able to trade different stablecoins like USDT, USDC, and DAI on Harmony One's blockchain. And that's major just because we now have a platform specifically for stablecoins with deep liquidity. And when I say liquidity, I mean it's a lot of money on there. So $15 million is a lot of money right now, and just having that on the DEX starting out in day one where people can trade and, you know, pretty much use that money to access stable coins on Harmony One's blockchain. So I believe, you know, that's major moving forward because stable coins pretty much makes it easier to move around on the blockchain because it's stable and you know the price is going to remain. So if you have a bag of stable coins, you can pretty much guarantee yourself it's going to stay at that same value, you know. And it's good for if you want to pretty much hodl when it's bear seasons or things like that. It's a good way to have your money in something stable, and you can also still earn a certain percentage on it just depending on if you're in specific pools. So that's major on Harmony One's blockchain. I'm glad to see Curve. I'm glad to see how fast that total value lock is increasing every day. So there's something even exciting to look forward to in the future, just because this is just day one. I believe, in my personal opinion, it can get to $100 million total value lock onto the blockchain because it has billions of dollars already on the East blockchain. So I'm very excited to see that value increase as time goes on. And last but not least, I want to show the total value locked on Harmony One's blockchain all together, man. So we see total value lock is at $230 million, man, all together. And we see the 24-hour change was 10%, and DeFi Kingdoms is dominating at 43%. So we see DeFi Kingdoms has 100 mil plus. Really, it's like 124 mil, but these apps update kind of slow. Sushi is at 93, Curve is at 16, and then we got Viper coming in at 12. So man, I'm very, very excited to see more and more DApps on Harmony One's blockchain, more DApps from ETH coming over to Harmony One, and also some originals like DeFi Kingdom. I called DeFi Kingdom out early. If you watch my videos, if you tune in, you know I called DeFi Kingdom out at around like 20 cents or less when I created a liquidity pool on the platform. So I'm looking for those original projects to thrive on Harmony One as well, just because, especially if they're bringing something new to the blockchain that's not on another blockchain. So I'm very excited to see what DeFi Kingdom has, what Viper has, and all these other projects on Harmony One's that's OGs on the Harmony One blockchain. I'm very excited to see them thrive in the future because Harmony One blockchain is really, really growing, and only time will tell what they will do. But I'm bullish on Harmony One as a whole just because of the blockchain, the team, what they are doing, and the foundation they're laying down is not about the hype. Harmony One was one of those sleepers that just keep working, and then boom, and I'm telling you, it's gonna take off just because of the fundamentals of the cryptocurrency. So that's my video for today, man. Crypto Tro. If you haven't already, hit that like, hit that subscribe button. I'm going to continue to bring Harmony One content and all of the other cryptocurrencies that I talk about, you can find on my page. And I'm going to continue to keep you guys updated. So, like I said, that's my video for today. I'm out of here.